my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all.
Hey guys, it's Caroline. Welcome back to Contemporary Mama. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I'm going to be doing a power hour clean and decorate with me for Valentine's Day. My son is at preschool. He's only there for 2.5 hours, so I have to move quickly if I want to get anything done before I have to go pick him up. So I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to do a power hour and try and plow through my to-do list and then also throw up my Valentine's Day decor since that's like a little over 2 weeks away when I'm filming this. So I'm a little bit late to the game, but better late than never in my opinion. So I'm gonna show you my list, show you what products I'm gonna be using, and then let's get started. So here's my list. I need to clean up the kitchen after breakfast, unload the dishwasher, wipe down my appliances, they're so dirty. Maybe do a quick dusting of my main level because that's where I'm gonna be putting up my decorations. I really need to wipe down the bathrooms upstairs. I need to make my bed because I just washed my sheets and maybe vacuum and mop. So I'm hoping I can get this all done in an hour. I'm gonna see how it goes and try and do 10 minutes for each item. And then we'll see, we'll see.
I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time.
So throughout this video, you're going to be seeing me use all my cleaning products from the JAWS system, and that stands for the Just Add Water system. This is a family of streak-free, non-toxic, eco-friendly products. I absolutely love how minimal waste they are because you just fill up their reusable bottles with tap water, insert one of these little JAWS refill pods, twist on the sprayer, and you are ready to go. So no more throwing out those big bottles of cleaners. All you need to do is just buy their refill pods and you are set. I've been using their granite cleaner for months and absolutely loving how it makes my kitchen island streak-free, so I was super excited to try out the rest of the products. Now this video is not sponsored, but they did gift me the rest of the JAWS family cleaning products, so I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on how they worked throughout my house. So that took longer than I anticipated, 20 minutes, but again, I did clean up the whole kitchen and unload the dishwasher, so I guess 10 minutes was a little unrealistic. So next I'm going to wipe down my appliances. They are super dirty. So to wipe down the appliances, I am going to be using the JAWS Kitchen Cleaner and Degreaser. This is safe for pretty much every surface in your kitchen, including the appliances and stainless steel. It's really good at removing grease and grime, so that's why I'm going to spray it on my stovetop because it has so much stuck on food. And then while that is sitting for a couple minutes, I'm going to wipe down my fridge with it as well. This did a really good job at getting rid of all the fingerprints and little sticky stuff that is on there. But I did feel like I needed to go over it maybe with my Wayman spray and just buff it out so it really shined afterwards. But I am super impressed with what a great job it did on my stovetop. You guys know I love to cook. I'm cooking all day, every day, so this really was pretty bad at this point, and it almost took little to no effort to just wipe everything off. I'm super impressed with how well this cleaned my stovetop.
I'm yours until the end of time. with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't say my name.
So upstairs in the bathroom, I'm going to be using the Jaws glass cleaner to clean all the mirrors. This has tons of fingerprints and toothpaste spatters, so they really needed a good wipe down. And this glass cleaner is ammonia, alcohol, and streak free. It's even safe for electronics, FYI, but I thought that this did a really great job at cleaning the mirrors. There weren't any streaks, and I'm super happy with it. Now for the countertops and sinks, I'm using their daily shower cleaner. It says shower cleaner, but it can be used on all bathroom surfaces, even showers, tubs, sinks, toilets, pretty much everything except for marble. I thought it did a really good job at getting everything super clean. I wasn't a huge fan of the scent of it, but hey, if a cleaning product is going to do a good job, I can deal with the scent.
Till the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Your scars don't hurt.
I have 10 minutes left and I'm doing pretty good actually. So now I'm gonna do the world's fastest vacuuming and mopping because I really want to try out their hardwood floor spray.
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think? One more drink while we sit by the bonfire. 'Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, 'cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
All right, so my timer just went off and I didn't get to mop, but I'm just gonna do it quickly because I already have my steam mop plugged in and I wanna try out that hardwood floor spray that Jaws sent me. So I'm just gonna do that really quick and then we will pop up all of my Valentine's decor. Wow, look at how shiny that looks. That's like a big difference. Look how shiny that is compared to that. Now, the hardwood floor cleaner is good for all types of flooring, not just sealed hardwood. You can also use it on tile and laminate. It's awesome because it doesn't leave any hazy residue behind. As you can tell, my floors are sparkling. As you can see me doing, I'm just spraying and then wiping behind it. You don't have to rinse, which makes it super easy to use. So I'm pretty impressed with how the floors came out. You can see they have a nice shine to them, even though it's dry over here now. It was a little bit awkward, like spraying and holding the mop, but you know, it's the first time I did it, so I probably just have to get used to it. So I'm just gonna do my dining room floor really quick and then let's decorate. So here's all my decor. These I already had. This I got this year from Big Lots. This little banner from the dollar store. This sign from the dollar store. This welcome heart sign is from Christmas Tree Shop. And then I got a banner in this big wooden heart sign from Kirkland. So I'm just gonna throw this all up. I have 15 minutes till I need to go get my son at preschool, so I think I can do it.
You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go! Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
But I'm done. I got everything on my list done. Took me a little more than an hour to clean, but that's okay. It's worth it to have these shiny, gorgeous hardwood floors to look at and enjoy. I gotta go to preschool and get my son. But I want to thank you so much for watching. Oh, and I hope you like those decorations. I don't do a ton for Valentine's Day, but a couple little pieces of Valentine's decor here and there I think really spruces up the house and gets the kids excited for the holiday. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on Friday with a brand new video. Have a great day. Bye.